Hey guys, so this is part 2 of showing you all my fidgets. And I already showed you the charger in the way. I already showed you these puppets, and I already showed you this. It's not an actual sound. I don't really know if you could see me well, but it's not an actual fidget. It says, "You look great today," and it's lip gloss, and it smells really good. It smells like grapes. And I told you that my sister, Emery, does not like grape stuff. But, yeah. So, anyways, this is my, the one that I already played with. I guess. So, if you don't know what this is called an infinity cube, and I absolutely love these things. They're so fun to play with. This is probably like my favorite infinity cube that I've ever had, because I love the colors, and it's kind of hard to play with only one hand, but I love the colors. I love the dark blue, and it just was really fun to play with. Put that in there. Now I have this puppet. It's a ice cream one, more like a popsicle. This is the bad side. Like, it's horrible on the bad side, but it's pretty good on the good side. This is the good side. Pretty good. That thing, so loud. So, yeah, down there. And then I have this Among Us one, and again, the bad side is horrible. Like, it's so hard to pop. See, like, it just comes back up, and it's so hard. And also, I might not do a video of my dinner. Yesterday I did, and so I'm going out, I guess, to like this place where you like shows fire, like it like shows when it's cooking, but it's a food truck, or we might go into it, but I don't know. I might do it and I might not, but yeah. But anyways, this is the good side. So good. Yeah, put that in there. But I think I'm going to be doing the pop tubes, and then I'll do part 3. So this, if you don't know what a pop tube is, almost everybody does, but if you don't, it's this is a mini one. There's like big jumbo ones, but I have mini ones, and you just pull it, and it makes this really loud and satisfying noise, and just put it back in like this. And so this is the green one. This is probably my 3rd favorite color out of all of them. This is my least favorite color out of all of them, red. Red, I'm not a big fan of red, but still has a really good, like, noise and satisfying noise. And these are my 2 favorite colors. The pink one is like my first favorite. Like, these 2 are probably my favorite because I love the combination together, and I just love them by themselves. So, pink one, really good. This is really satisfying sound, and then the yellow one also does, and I just love them so much. But yeah, I'll do part 3. So part 3.